Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. It is giveaway time, and if you watched last week's video, I have two gorgeous embossing folders to give away. So there's going to be two winners. I know that through the comments there were two of you that wanted to just say hello but didn't want to be entered, so we may have to pick another one. So we've got two the ladies that want to be counted out if their name comes up. Right, so I have put the URL in and we are going to pick a winner. So good luck everyone. This one is going to be for the Thinking of You embossing folder. I forgot to say they are A5 as well. So here we go. Good luck everyone. And the winner is Sherry Vaughan. So well done, Sherry. You have won the Thinking of You embossing folder. So now we need to pick a winner for the happy birthday one. So here we go. Good luck, everyone. Oh, it says pick another winner. How is it doing it? There you go. We're going again. Right. Good luck, everyone. And the winner is Glabbermouth Crafter. So well done, Glabbermouth. I will pop this in the post. Can you both send me your address? Sherry, I believe I have your address. I will double check. And if I don't, I'll message you. So if you can, Glabbermouth, if you could send me your address, because I know that you've recently moved, and I will pop one of these in the post to you. So well done, both of you, for winning. Thanks to everyone taking part. There will be a new giveaway today with lots of things up for grabs, so keep watching. So take care for now. Bye bye.